Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Zainab, the creativity enthusiast of Sisters Bead. So on this video you'll be learning how I make this simple and easygoing earrings that look so expensive and so luxurious. Literally they can go with so many kind of outfits. So let's get into the video. So on this video you'll be needing your round nose plier, and you'll be needing your flat plier, you'll be needing your cutter. You also need some large beads, but you can go with any size you want. And these are also cap accessories. You'll be needing two. Then you need your earrings, of course. Then the flat pins, which are the most important ingredients or item needed for this earring. So let's begin by placing our cap accessory beneath our bead. Then we pass our flat pin into the cap and into the bead. Then we'll go with our earring. Make sure that you secure everything and you push everything to be as tight as possible. Then you go in with your cutter to cut some large amount of the pin out. Be careful with your eyes at this point because sometimes it do jump out. Then you go with your round nose plier and make a loop or a fold. Make sure that the fold you make or the loop you make actually touches the main pin. Use your flat pin to make your adjustment when needed. And then we are done. Look at how beautiful it's looking. You also do the same thing for the other earring. So at this point, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so. Hit on the notification bell, like, share and comment on what you would like to see next. All the items listed will be down in my description box. Oh my god. And everything listed is also available in our store, so you don't have to worry about any of the item. We got you covered. All you have to do is slide into our DM at Sisters Bead on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn. We are there at Sisters Bead, and you can place your order and we will deliver it to you, or you can just visit any of our store located at number 17 College Road, Ngwandosa, Karaye Junction, Kaduna, Nigeria. Or you also visit us at number 5 Karkasara, Director Street, behind Amina Kano Teaching Hospital, Kano State, Nigeria. So here we are literally done with this. You can do this, everything can be done in a minute. This is how simple this earring is. You can make it down in a minute and you make your statement. So let's try it out. Hi. So here we go. I love these earrings. They are so beautiful. Look at them. Wow. Wow. So be sure to try them out, and thank you for watching. Bye.